Let's do one more example of solving a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So we're going to look at this example as our last one. So in this case, A is 10, B is positive 6, and C is positive 1. So x equals negative b, which is a 6, plus or minus the square root of, put it in parentheses, 6 squared minus 4 times 10 times 1, 4ac, all over 2a, so 2 times 10. So simplifying, that gives us negative 6 plus or minus 36 minus 40. 36 minus 40 is a negative 4 all over 20. And what did we learn in one of our very first lessons? This doesn't mean no solution anymore. It just means we have a complex solution. So simplifying a little further, that gives us 6 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of the negative gives us an I, and we're all over 20. Now, is this our final answer? Is this an appropriate answer for a test, or will my open math take this? No, it will not. Remember, it has to be in the form number plus or minus number I. So we need to take this 20 and uncommon denominator. Remember how to do that? We're going to take and do 6 over 20 plus or minus 2 over 20, and we'll put the I after it. So think about it as like adding and subtracting with common denominators, but we're reversing the process. Now we can reduce our fractions, and we get negative 3/10 plus or minus 1/10 I. So this is actually two answers. So you're going to have to put it into my open math as 3/10 plus 1/10, and remember to put the I afterwards, comma, negative 3/10 minus 1/10 I. So that is what you would type into my open math, but on an exam, Mrs. Hoffman would take the plus or minus version. In general, when you're doing a quadratic equation, you should always try to factor it first. If it doesn't factor and it's not set up for the square root method, then your only option is quadratic formula. Try to avoid it because it will take the longest of all the three types of solving.